हेलो एवरीवन। स्टार्ट करते हैं टारगेट विथ यादव में सीटेड इन्वायरमेंट प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन। आई होप कि इन्वायरमेंट के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आपको सारे एग्जाम में टकराए। सीटेड में तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, 30 आउट ऑफ 30 आपको आ जाएंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर ऑन 5th जून? सी Environment Day, World Environment Day. Second, which of the following has unidirectional flow of energy? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा फूड चेन। Sundarlal Bahuguna was a famous environmentalist. With which movement is he associated? B. Chipko movement. Which of the following will be complete? The food chain. Plant, grasshopper, and B. Frog. Then a snake, peacock. Fifth question, which of the following is our example of ecosystem? D. All of the above. Savanna, tundra, desert, all of these. When is the Wildlife Week celebrated? First week of October. Wildlife Week celebrated. What percent of the earth is covered by lithosphere? B. 29. What is the functional unit of nature? A. Ecosystem. For the protection of which tree did Amrita Devi Vishnu sacrificed her life? Case D. Directly or indirectly, which is the primary source of energy for the living beings? B. Sun. To which is the pyramid of energy related? C. Food chain. देख सकते हैं आप सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं इन्वायरमेंट के। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट डे फॉल्स ऑन फर्स्ट आंसर 5th June. The organism which feed on the waste products are called B. Detritivores. Third question, which of the following sequence is true about the flow of energy is an ecosystem? A is correct, producer, consumer, decomposer. Which of the following is not an abiotic component of biosphere? 4 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपको सी, फंगी। Fifth, in a food chain of grassland ecosystem, the top consumer are carnivorous. The main source of energy is an ecosystem. B. Sunlight. Increasing concentration of toxic chemical in the food chain is called B. Biomagnificence. Who coined the term ecosystem? Tansley. Biotic component of environment includes plants. The important source of energy in geo ecosystem is A. Sun. In which year Environment Protection Act was passed? B answer 1986. In a food chain, herbivores are B. Primary consumer. The cycling of elements is an ecosystem is called biogeochemicals cycles. The correct definition of ecosystem is a balanced system of biotic community and its environment. In an ecosystem, mineral cycling is called a biogeochemical cycles. Chipko Andolan was inspired by B. Sundarlal Bahuguna. 17. In biotic community, the primary consumer are C. Herbivores. 18 number question. When peacock eats a snake which eats insects thriving on green plants and the peacock is D. At the apex of food pyramid. 19 number. Such herbivorous animals which are dependent on green plants. A. First level consumer. Which of the following is the most productive ecosystem? A. Tropical rainforest. A group of interconnected food chains is called food web. Biotic environment includes all of these: producer, consumer, decomposer. All of these. 23 number question. Keenly observe the following chart of energy flow. In these, C option is correct. Sun, God, human. A teacher is speaking about the contribution of Medha Patekar and Amrita Devi Vishnu because C option their movement are on environmental issues. 25th number question. Wildlife Week is celebrated every year on first week of October. 26th number question. In 1992, Earth Convention for the Safety of Environment was held in the city B. Rio de Janeiro. 27th number. If a grasshopper is an eaten by a frog, the energy transfer will be from C. Primary consumer to secondary consumer. 28. Which of the following is the largest ecosystem on the earth? B. Ocean. 29. Which of the following state is connected with the Chipko movement? C. Uttarakhand. 30 number. Which of the following is secondary consumer? C. Lion. Chipko movement is associated with the which state? Uttarakhand. In the food chain, the flow of energy is first unidirectional. The primary source of energy is ecosystem is B sunlight. Which of the following is not a component of environment? D solar system. Who started Chipko movement? B Sundarlal Bahuguna. Which of the following is a non-governmental organization dedicated to wildlife conservation? Answer is World Wildlife Fund for Nature, WWF. 37 number, 10% law is given by A. Landman. 38, environment is celebrated on 5th June. Which of the following is an example of ecosystem? B answer, pond. Which of the following is not a biotic factor? D option, stone. Stone is not a biotic factor. Most plants are found in the lithosphere. 42, biotic component is A. Plant. Van Mahotsav is celebrated in our country on B. 1st July. Environment includes all of these: plant and animals, relationship, culture, houses, roads, places, worship. All of these. 45. 45. Pyramid of energy is A. Straight nature. Sorry, natural and psycho culture. Environment is an example of interaction between D. All of these: deforestation, prey hunting, construction work. All of these. 47, key components of natural environment is D. All of these: all living beings, geomorphic factor, climate factor. All of these. What percent of energy is transferred from one trophic level to another? 10%. Wildlife Week is celebrated 1st October to 7th October. Which of the following is food chains does not belongs to grassland? A. C. Planktons, fish, well. And the last two question, very important. Chipko movement was strengthened under the leadership of Sundarlal Bahuguna. Last question. Three statements are given below. Ecosystems constitute the environment. Both biological and social elements constitute the environment. Both social and natural elements constitute the environment. Out of the above, C is correct. 3 is correct. 1 and 2 are wrong. थैंक यू। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट और जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। और मैं आगे भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ईवीएस के लाते रहूँगी। थैंक यू।